Today we step into this majestic Central Park penthouse listed at $65 million, 3 bedrooms, 4 bath at 5,500 square feet. All of the gold elements that you see in this house are actually 24 karat gold. Given this house is so majestic, is honestly the only word I could think of with this house. It still looks very livable to me. And it honestly, it's a fairy tale penthouse. It's just as if it's a grand chateau. Even though it's really not that old, I believe it was built in 2007. But this house looks like it's 100 years old. I absolutely love the hand carved work throughout this entire penthouse. It's just absolutely stunning. I hope that you enjoyed this property as much as I did today. And if you like this, please hit that like and subscribe button. We've got a lot more exciting videos coming up. And as always, thank you for watching.